Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you some different ways that you can chat as a representative or an attendee. So I'm still in the booth that I showed you where the rep dashboard is. I mentioned that you can reach out directly to people and engage. So I'm going to go ahead, there isn't anybody in my booth right now, but I am able to click up in the now attending, which means 6 people are currently in this event-wide. I can also click on my attendees down in the bottom navigation bar. Wherever I go within this event, my navigation bar follows me. So I always have the ability to see my attendee button here. I'm going to go ahead and go back into my booth. So if I were to reach out to an attendee, I'm going to go ahead and reach out to Dana. Again, anybody that's in the event live is going to have a green bubble. So I'm going to click on the bubble, and that is going to bring up a box in the bottom right corner. Now I can either type a message into Dana and she's going to get alerted on the other side, or I can start a video chat. So if I send her a message and I say hello, she's going to get notified. If I hit start video chat, it's going to send her an invitation to accept a face-to-face video chat. The video chat is a one-to-one face-to-face. You can't share your screen. It's just face-to-face, and it's only between 2 people, one-to-one. You can initiate it, or you can accept someone else who initiates it. So that you have the video chat option, or you have a typing chat option. And if you type, you can also translate in up to 35 different languages. Now, if it's just Dana and I chatting, and I'm a representative and I want to bring in another rep, I can add people to my chat. So I can bring another person in this list into my chat with Dana. There's no limit to how many people that you can add into a group chat. Again, this is a moderated private group chat, something that you can initiate or someone else can initiate. It sits at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you are a booth rep and you've engaged with an attendee in your booth, this will be recorded. If you are outside of your booth, or you reach out to someone outside of your booth, it becomes attendee to attendee, and that is not recorded. You can start a video chat whether you're a rep or an attendee. So it can be rep to attendee or attendee to attendee. My chats will follow me no matter where I go. They will stay on the right-hand side and stack up. I can have unlimited chats. There's not a limit to how many chats you have, how many chats you've engaged in. Just always remember the only ones being recorded in a transcript are between a booth rep and an attendee that has come into your booth. If you refresh your event, please keep in mind that your chats will disappear. So it's important to copy your chats if there's anything important between attendee to attendee. You don't need to copy them if you engaged as a rep to an attendee that came into your booth. Those have been recorded. Now, I do want to mention that I brought up in the booth grids that we have now added in all Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4 the ability for you to host a meeting in your booth. So I just discussed ability to chat by typing, ability to chat in a one-to-one video chat, and this is a third opportunity for you to utilize your grid and provide us a link if you have a Zoom license, a GoToMeeting license, a Microsoft Teams license, or a WebEx license. So this is the ability to drop a link into your booth in a call to action or a lollipop stand that allows attendees to click and open into that meeting with you. The benefit for this is that you can have more control over this meeting. You can open it up and have multiple people in that meeting with you. You can time it during the live expo, but basically our platform supports any of the 4 of these meeting apps so that if I drop it into your booth and an attendee goes to click on it and you've opened up your meeting app, you can have as many people as you want come in, you can share your screen, you can record it, and you can time it out and control it. So this is a third option outside of texting chat, one-to-one video chat. This is the third option for you to be able to drop into your booth ability to add a meeting app and have that embedded inside your booth so that all an attendee has to do is click to open and you would start that meeting. You would have full control over it.